Hello children, welcome back to Social Science class of 6th grade. In my previous videos, we have learnt the history and natural resources of Mysuru division in our Karnataka second lesson history section. In this video session, we shall learn the Forest Wildlife National Park in Mysuru division. Mysuru is a land of forest. Various types of forests are there in Mysuru division. Mysuru, Kodagu, Chikkamagaluru and Hasana district have dense forest, means complete thick forest. Various types of the trees are there. Animals are there in dense forest. Bandipura, Nagarahole, Malay Madeshwara Betta and Pushpagiri are famous forest areas of Mysuru division. Various types of the minor forests are there. Minor forest means small forests are there. These forests will provide livelihood for many tribal community in this division. Tribal community means the members of the tribal community who are living in forest area or hilly area. For example, Jain Kuruba is a best example. Jain Kuruba is the biggest tribal community not only Mysuru division, overall Karnataka. This community has the highest population. So they live in Mysuru and Chamarajanagar district in large number, Jain Kuruba community. So apart from Jain Kuruba, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district have the Koraga tribal community. These are all members of Koraga tribal community. I told you earlier, tribal community means members of the tribal community who are living in hilly area or forest area. They are too backward tribe. Malay Kuda is one more tribal community. The members of this tribal community who are living in Kodagu and Dakshina Kannada district. And apart from this Malay Kudaya, Koraga and Jain Kuruba, one more important tribal community is their Soliga tribe. The Soliga members of the Soliga tribe are living in Chamarajanagar district. So apart from these all tribal community, Yarava is there, Hakki-Pikki tribal community, Halasa, Medar tribes. Those tribes are very important in Mysuru division. Tiger is our national animal, everyone knows. Tiger conservation project in force in our state. 3 tiger conservation projects are there in Karnataka as well as in Mysuru division. Children, first we have to understand what is a conservative forest. Conservative forest means it has a natural resources within the forest. Conservative forest means it has a natural resources within the forest. The forest that has beneficial for both human and ecosystem. 3 tiger conservative projects are there in Mysuru division. Bandipura tiger conservation. Tiger is roaming freely in Bandipura reserve area. So this Bandipura tiger conservation is there in Chamarajanagar district of Mysuru division. Nagarahole tiger, Rajivgandhi Nagarahole tiger conservation area. It is there in Kodagu district of Mysuru division. And Bhadra tiger conservation. This Bhadra tiger conservation area is in Chikkamagaluru district of Mysuru division. So similarly, how tiger is an important, elephant is also very important. Elephant protection projects are there in this Mysuru division. So what happened? Most of the days back, elephants are killed for their tusk. This is a tusk. Elephants are killed for this tusk. And some animals also killed for the skin. You may ask this question, why the tusk of elephant and skin of tiger is important? Tusk of elephants are used for decorative purposes or ornamental purposes. Skin of tiger as well as the tusk of elephants are used for decorative purposes. And Elephant tiger protection projects are there in Mysuru division to protect them from poaching. Poaching means attacking. Karnataka has highest numbers of the tigers in India, but recent surveys Karnataka is there in second place. Earlier Karnataka was in first place, but Karnataka is there in second place. So Madhya Pradesh is there in first place. And Mysuru division has the highest numbers of the wildlife and bird sanctuaries in this state. Wildlife sanctuary means the safest place for the wild animal is called wildlife sanctuaries. Bird sanctuary means safest place for the bird. Various types of the birds will come in that sanctuary. Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. This Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary, it comes in Mysuru district. Gudavi Bird Sanctuary is there in Chikmagaluru district. Kokkare Belluru Bird Sanctuary is there in Mandya district. So three bird sanctuaries are very important in Mysuru division. So various types of the birds from different place they will come, and they will migrate to different places from Ranganathittu, Gudavi and Kokkare Belluru. If you talk about the wildlife sanctuaries in Mysuru division, Melukote Wildlife Sanctuary is there in Mandya district. Malay Mahadeshwara Wildlife Sanctuary is there in Chamarajanagar district. And Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary in Kodagu district. Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary is there in Mandya district of Mysuru division. And Rajivgandhi National Park is in Kodagu district. Bandipur National Park is there in Chamarajanagar district. Keep in your mind, National Park is a very sensitive place. Chasing animal and some sports activities are completely prohibited, completely banned in a national park. Two national parks are there in this area. Bandipur National Park in Bandipur National Park is there in Chamarajanagar district. Rajivgandhi Nagarahole National Park is there in Kodagu district. Two national parks are very important. And wild elephants are tamed using the technique called khedda operation. Khedda operation is one kind of method to capture or to catch elephant, to trap animals like a elephant. Khedda operation means this is one kind of method to capture or trap animals like elephants. Khedda operation which controls the damaging crops, and which controls damaging human inhabitants. So elephants are tamed using that technique. The technique is called khedda operation. And next, agriculture and industry. Agriculture is the lifeline of our people. Means most important part of Karnataka agriculture. The district of Mysuru division no exception to this reality. So agriculture is backbone of Mysuru division. Mysuru district is famous for silk production. Mysuru, especially Hunsuru, in Mysuru district, Hunsuru, Kyarpete, so many taluks of Mysuru district. Mysuru district is famous for silk production. Kodagu, Chikmagaluru, Hasana are known for coffee plantation. Kodagu, Chikmagaluru, Hasana known for coffee plantation, and Mandya district is known for sugar cane. Udupi, Dakshina Kannada are for cashew nuts, pepper, rubber, cardamom. So agriculture activities are not confined. Agriculture activities not limited or not restricted. Means crop cultivation, harvesting is not only agriculture activity. Agriculture activity means dairying, poultry, sheep rearing. One more time I will repeat. Agriculture activities not only planting crops, not only cultivating the crops. Agriculture activity which include dairying also, poultry and sheep rearing. Dairying means what? Dairying means production of milk and its products is called dairying. Poultry means what? Taking care of or rearing chicken or hen for their eggs and their meat. Sheep rearing means taking care of sheep or goat for their meat. This is called sheep rearing. So agriculture means not only cultivation of the crops agriculture, which include dairying, poultry and sheep rearing. The major crops of Mysuru division are ragi, maize, various types of the pulses are there. Various types of the pulses means a single seed crop. The commercial crops of Mysuru division are tobacco, coffee, cashew nuts, potato, sugar cane and coconut. So for better agriculture system, irrigation projects are required. Dams are required for better agriculture system. 4 irrigation projects provide the irrigation facility to districts of Mysuru division. Irrigation means what? Irrigation means supplying the water to the agriculture farm from river, from lake or from any other water sources. 4 irrigation projects providing irrigation facility to the many districts of this division. Best example is the Krishnaraja irrigation project, KRS dam. It is there in Manda district, Srirangapatna taluk of Manda district, KRS dam, and Harangi irrigation project, Hemavati irrigation project, Kabini irrigation project. So these are all important irrigation projects, means irrigation dam in Mysuru division. So better agriculture practices. So some suggestions and advices are required. So better agriculture practices, Mysuru division, the government has established agriculture colleges and agriculture farm. Agriculture college is there, agriculture university is there in Mysuru. So this Mysuru Agriculture University has its own farm, that is agriculture farm. Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hasana, Chikmagaluru, Mandya, Madikeri are major industrial center in this division. For example, industries like a pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical means what? In pharmaceutical industry, they will develop medicines, drugs and tablets. One more time I will repeat, in pharmaceutical industries, they will develop medicine, drugs and tablet. Coffee curing center, it is also one of the important industry in Mysuru division. Coffee curing industry means which involves dry processing and grading of green coffee beans or green coffee seed. One more time I will repeat, which coffee curing industry means which involves dry processing and grading of green coffee beans or seed. This is also one of the important industry. And food processing industries are there in Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district and as well as the Mysuru district also. And fertilizers industry. Fertilizers industry means they will develop a pesticide to kill insects. They will develop pesticide to kill insects in a farm. And petroleum industry, especially the Dakshina Kannada district is famous for petroleum industry. They will filter the petrol and petroleum products like a diesel, kerosene and others. Chocolate producing industries are there in Campco. Sugar industries are there in Mandya district of Mysuru division. Cement manufacturing industries are there. Major industries are there in Mysuru division. Though the members of major industries less in this division. If you compare to Bengaluru division, some industries are less in Mysuru division. Thousands of the small scale industries are there, medium scale industries are there. Small scale industry means the members of the small scale industry, they will work from home. And this is about forest, wildlife, national park and agriculture and industry of Mysuru division. In next video session, we shall learn art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of Mysuru division. Thank you, children.